Some people ask, how to realize the promise of quality, from design to manufacturing, breaking the bonds of time and circumstance, getting goods delivered safely. Some people ask, how to use professional knowledge and quality products to keep our customers on the road with no distractions. We raised our hands and answered, innovation with care. This is Longbank founding spirit. It is also Longbank eternal mission. Our innovation comes from the insight and accurate interpretation of customer needs. From a professional point of view, we provide our clients with customized product solutions. No matter when or where, we always stand with our clients. We face the challenges of the market together. Quality is our cornerstone. Innovation as the driving force. The whole process, all aspects. All staff control the quality of products. Continuously launch innovative to meet diversified market demand. Wherever your products are going, we will provide professional services to each and every one of our customers. This is our commitment from the past to the future.